Yo, welcome back to the channel. We're going to start on part 2 of getting that CTS apart. So the only thing I want to do right now is to try to get this dashboard out. I did pull off very tiny yesterday. I didn't really do too much, but got some of the wiring out. Well, I kind of wanted to see if I could get it started. That was a complete failure, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull the dash today. If I can get the dash out, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the dash out the wagon also, so we could get them swapped over. And then once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the suspension work, if I get around to doing it today, changing the springs, the rotors, the brake calipers, and all that good stuff, so I could get it out the way. So once I get that out the way, that's pretty much it. The only thing else I have to do is paint the rear bumper, which the weather is kind of not allowing me to, and the side skirts. Once that's all complete, the interior mostly done. It's a few parts I probably have to order because I can't find them. I do have the parts. I was trying to recover them, but it didn't look good. It's got a little bit of stuff here and there I have to replace, like the windshield nozzles, the wiper arms. I have to repaint those. I could just buy new ones, but why do that? That makes that's too much like sense on that. But after that, that's it. What I'm gonna do after I get all that done, it's time to get on a big project, as in pulling this transmission and engine out, and so I can get my other one ready to go. This one, it sits in here, so it doesn't have to be running or anything right now, but I want to make sure everything else is done before I do that, because the one that's in there, it has a couple cam sensor problems, so it kind of pups and pops and all that good stuff. So that's it of that. Like I said, I want to pull out the dash in there. I do have some floodlights here because these lights up there are on a timer and they cut out, and plus these provide a lot of heat because it's a little chilly out here. I think it's supposed to warm up to, like, I think 70 or something today, or 60, I think 60. Oh yeah, we're gonna have a heat wave. Other than that, that's pretty much it. But if somebody wants it, please message me, and you come get it for a very, 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 very low price. Other than that, let's get started. Try to get that dash out. So I only had actually I had no bolts holding a steering column on, but it is a bolt in the back that's actually securing it to the shaft, and I gotta try to get that out. I had it where I can able to turn it at one point in time, but I don't have it anymore. So I'm going to see if I could get back there and get that bolt out and go from there. Okay, I done figured it out, and if anybody else runs into this problem and can't get the steering wheel unlocked, it's, if you remove the lower case, then I'm pretty sure you could get to it. Let me see if I can show you. So this little thing right here, if you push it, let me see if I don't know if I could get you there, but if you push it in, you can actually turn the key, and a key, once you turn the key, then it will unlock the steering wheel. So that is very, very good to know. But I believe you still have to remove this lower cover here in order to get to it. But let's keep going. I want to show you guys the screw I'm trying to get to, or the bolt.
I think you guys can see that. I'm not 100% sure. Let me see if I can prop you up here. Let's see. Nothing wants to stay where it wants to stay. I think you can see there. You're sliding down. And my light is about to die. Everything is not working out for me today. That means I shouldn't be doing it. Should get my power ratchet. All right, well, you guys get the idea. So I just got to take that off, and then I'll be able to get the steering column mostly out the way. So I was able to pull the radio out. I pulled the radio out, and I just noticed another problem that I'm gonna have, that I'm probably not gonna be able to get this out today. Oh boy, I mean, I probably can, but I have to hook everything back up, because the navigation has to be in an open position in order to get the screws behind there. Now, if I had the right tools, like a swivel, small ratchet, I probably could get back there and do it, but I don't have it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is see about, I got 4 bolts that's holding the bottom of this. I'm gonna see even if I have to take the navigation out, because when they put these dashes in, they mostly together, so I don't see why I have to pull all this apart, but we'll see. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna have to put part 2 on hold for a little bit. I don't have the tools here to finish pulling the dash out, and it's let me see. I think I had one somewhere around here. Let's see. I want to keep a screw so I could take it with me, but this little doohickey here, it's a billion of them little bastards, and I'm gonna need a swivel, and I think I gotta remove like 10 of these in order to get because what I'm thinking is the cover is different than the actual frame of the dash. Some cars, they come together, but I think this one is in 2 pieces, where you can remove just the cover and leave the frame and the air conditioning unit and all that stuff, you know, just leave it in there.